Good morning, kindergarten. We are ready for math. We are working with the number 8. Last week we looked at 6 and 7. This week we are looking at 8. All right, on the first part of our worksheet, the first page, it says to model 7 objects. So if you have your counting pieces we sent home, you can use those. If you do not have them out right now, then you can just watch my video for directions and then work on yours. If you have them with you, then you can work with me. All right, so model 7 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me go back and make sure I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I do. All right, it says to show one more. So what if I put one more out there? How many do I have now? Think about that. I had 7, and I put down one more. What comes after 7? 8. So now I have 8. Let's count and see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 7 plus 1 more equals 8. Then it says to draw the objects. You can draw anything. You can do 8 squares, 8 circles, 8 smiley faces. I'm just going to do 8 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then always go back and check because you know sometimes I make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. All right, turn your page and fold it back. All right, they have some counting pieces out there for us. All right, count and tell how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or, I know that 5 frame is full, so I already know I have 5 up there. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8. Trace the number 8. All right, boys and girls, there's 2 ways to write an 8. I'm going to show you on here. They just did 2 circles. Or there's a poem that says make an S and then don't wait, go up again to make an 8. You can do it either one of those ways. Either way is fine with me. You can just do 2 circles, or you can make the letter S and then go back up and close it. All right, so by the yellow sunshine, 5 and how many more makes 8? Well, I can look up there and see that we had 5 in the 5 frame, and we needed 3 more to get 8. All right, next I want you to show 8 down here in this 10 frame. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know I needed to fill in that whole first row, and then I needed 6, 7, 8. So after you mark them, go back and color. We are showing the number 8. We have filled in 8 spaces in our 10 frame. All right, then flip it over. We're going to do the same thing we did for 6 and 7. We're going to come up with some different ways to make 8. Remember, our counting pieces may not be the same. I have the red and the yellow. You might have red and yellow. I think some of you had blue and yellow or green and yellow. I think some of you had red and black. It does not matter. You're just using 2 different colors to make the number 8. All right, so I'm going to put in some red ones. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could use your two colors and make the same problem I did, or yours might be different. But you have to write the numbers that you used if yours is different from mine. Alright, when I'm ready to write my problem, I can see that I had 1, 2, 3, 4 red ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow ones. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Maybe you had 4 red ones and 4 black ones. Maybe you had 4 blue ones and 4 yellow ones if you did the same as me. If you did a different problem, that's okay too, as long as you had 8 counters. Alright, I'm going to try one more and then I'm going to let you finish that up on your own. Alright, let's see what I did this time. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red ones. And 1, 2 yellow ones. Do I have 8 altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do. So you could have done the same problem as me, or you could have done a different one. Alright, so you will do those last two on your own. I will check it when you bring it back. Then on the back page, the directions are to count each of those sets and circle the ones that have 8 in them. I'll give you a hint. There's more than one group. So don't just find one and quit. You have to count every single set. Circle them if they have 8. Then at the bottom, draw something you know about the number 8. So you can choose what you want to draw. Maybe you'll draw 8 hearts, 8 sunshines, 8 flowers. It's up to you. All right, boys and girls, let me know if you have any questions.